Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is DOS. Now DOS gets you automatic cash back at thousands of places when you shop, dine, or book hotels. No coupons or receipt scanning. Simply download the app or find us in your favorite ways to pay, like Venmo or Jelly. So you can download it from the Apple Store if you have an iPhone, or from the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Now again, DOS is automatic cash back. Now this is how it works. So you connect, so download DOS app and link your cards, or check if your favorite way to pay offers a cash back. Then you're gonna shop, swipe your card, brands show you love, DOS deposit the cash back into your wallet automatically. Then transfer, accumulate $15, then transfer to your bank, PayPal or Venmo, or donate the cash back to charity. Now here are some of the brands that show you love when you shop: Walmart, ASOS, Instacart, Pizza Hut, Disney, Dunkin', GMC, Finish Line, World Market, and several other brands. They have over 10,000 places to get cash back and offers curated just for you. Open the DOS app and find us in your favorite ways to pay, like Venmo or Jelly. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go to the Google Play Store and pull up the app, and we're going to see the rating on this app because we definitely want to know what people are saying about this app. Okay guys, I'm at the Google Play Store and I pulled up the DOS app. So let me just scroll down here and look at the rating and the review. So out of 5 stars, 4.5. This would always say, guys, anything over 4.0 is an excellent app. And this is almost 5 stars. So you know this is a very, very good app, guys. Now let's just read one review here. So Melissa says, I really enjoyed this app. I have accumulated quicker once moving back to a larger city area, but the app does exactly what it says. So this person is very, very happy with this app. They say it does exactly what it says. Okay guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. I think this is the best money earning app for 2023. So to download this app and get started making this money, go ahead and go to Google Play Store or the App Store and look for DOS, save money and get cash back. Or you can just go to their website, which is dos.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll miss any of my videos when I drop. I drop 3 videos a week, so please hit that notification bell so you won't miss none of them. Give me a like. It's going to help this video be shown by more people on YouTube, so please hit that like button for me. Share this everywhere. I'm trying to get this channel to 8,000 subscribers. We like 60 subscribers away, because once I get there, I'm going to go ahead and give away some free money. So it'll be beneficial for you to help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers, because you could be a lucky winner of some free money. Okay guys, one last thing. Please follow me on Instagram. Follow me at AppGrind on Instagram, and you can DM me. I will DM you back. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos. Until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.